Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats in ChatGPT, or more accurately, how to manage and avoid losing important chats. First, it's important to understand that ChatGPT currently does not offer a way to recover chats that are permanently deleted. Once deleted, they're gone for good. So, instead of deleting, it's better to use the archive feature or backup chats manually. Now, let's start with how to backup important chats. Whenever you have a conversation you want to keep, just copy the content and paste it into Google Docs, Notepad, your email, or even save it to Google Drive. This is the safest way to store your information in case anything happens to it inside ChatGPT. Next, let's talk about the archive feature. Instead of deleting a chat, hover over the chat on the left sidebar. Click on the three-dot menu, then select Archive. This hides the chat from your main view, but doesn't delete it permanently. Now, to recover that archived chat, click on your account icon at the bottom left. Go to Settings. Under General, find the option that says Manage Archive Chats. Click on it. You'll see your archived chats listed here. Find the one you want, click on Archive, and it will be restored to your main history. That's it. You've successfully brought back your archive conversation. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.